PeerGroup talks to all sorts of factories from around the world that are all looking for the same things. They want to become smarter so they can increase throughput and ultimately improve profitability and perhaps improve their quality. We found that there's three keys to success in these endeavors, particularly when it comes to automating their factory and improving their station control. Number one is you want to try and learn from the best. You want to follow the patterns and practices that have been established by existing players in the smart factory and smart manufacturing worlds. Learn from their mistakes, learn from their successes, and follow those patterns inside your own facility. Number two, try and make sure you can get all of your data into one central location. By collecting data from all of your tools, all of your sources, all of your suppliers, and all of your customers into one location, that gives you the ability to take advantage of modern software solutions like advanced process control, machine learning, big data, and artificial intelligence, and apply these to make your factory work even better. Number three is to avoid software headaches in your deployment. You want to think upfront about how you're going to integrate packages from different vendors into one solution. You want to make sure that your core solution is set up in order to allow for easy expansion and easy integration into different software packages. In this way, you're going to be able to take advantage of any kind of new capabilities without spending a lot of time or money on integration challenges and headaches.